W20 CNC controller. Help interface and system interface explanation. First, the system interface includes alarm display. Alarm displays are further divided into current alarms and historical alarms. The second function is parameter settings. Parameter settings can be divided into many small items. We can select the parameters we need to modify. Use the cursor to move to select and enter the parameters. Then we enter the parameters that need to be modified. After modifying the parameters, press the Reset button to apply the changes. Third, diagnostic functions. The diagnostic function is the I/O function, which displays the output and input functions of the signal source. 4. System management. System management is used for backup, specifically for backing up parameter settings, and is utilized during system updates. 5. Term of use. This is the log function in the term of use. 6. The help button. The first interface is the machine tool structure. The second interface is system information. There is also G code, which is the identifier for G code. The M code, including an explanation of M codes. There is also the T code representing the knife number, and machine tool structure. 7. Time settings. For example, change the time from 35 minutes to 38 minutes.